Hello, friends. Roses are the timeless beauties of the garden, and I have some great news for you. They are now more accessible and easier to grow than ever before. Modern breeding advancements have made these plants incredibly disease-resistant and much more hardy for our landscapes. Whether you have a sprawling estate or a cozy small yard, these dreamy shrubs can fit into every corner of your property. Today, I want to share 5 fresh and practical ideas to inspire your rose designs this spring. We aren't just talking about flower beds anymore. We are looking at roses as versatile tools for your entire landscape. Borderline brilliance roses don't always need to be the main star. They are actually fantastic supporting actors in mixed borders. If you have evergreen foundation plantings that look a little all green during the summer, roses provide that necessary pop of color. For the back of your borders, I recommend taller varieties, like the Crimson Sky Climbing Rose, to add height and drama. If you want something mid-sized and vibrant, look for the Gold Medal Rose, the Easy Elegance Paint, the Town Shrub Rose, or the classic Don Juan Climbing Rose, Container Romance. If you are limited to a patio, balcony, or a heavily hardscaped area, you can still enjoy that fragrance and color. Roses actually grow very well in large containers for years. You can use a single showstopper shrub in a large pot to make a bold statement. For mixed plantings with annuals and perennials, the new compact varieties like the Orange Coral Cove Elegance Rose are perfect. Other excellent container choices for 2026 include Anna's Promise, the Pink Supreme Carpet Rose, and the Mystic Fairy Rose, dramatic flair and ground covers. For a truly unforgettable impact, try planting roses en masse, meaning many of the same variety all together. You can even find them trained into unique shapes, like patio trees. If you have a slope or an edge that needs softening, let your roses sprawl as ground covers. The Apricot Drift, ground cover. Rose is a stunning example of this, as it cascades beautifully over rock walls. Other top picks for this look are the Red Carpet Rose and the Itsy Bitsy Peach Rose. Living architecture. Let's move beyond the traditional hedge. Roses have incredible structural potential. You can use tall shrub roses, like the Heavenly Ascent Climbing Rose, to create living privacy screens or property dividers. If you want to outline a pathway, use lower growing varieties to delineate those garden sections. Now, here's a professional tip for a lush, full hedge. Plant them close together, ideally no more than 18 inches apart. Consider the White Iceberg or a Grace N. Grit Red Patio Tree Rose to add that architectural touch. Vertical enchantment. Finally, let's go vertical. You can transform plain walls, fences, and arbors into floral masterpieces using climbing roses and ramblers. The fragrant Eden Climber is a classic choice, but don't forget shorter varieties for adorning pillars and tours. Just a reminder, make sure your support structure is sturdy, as some of these climbers can become quite heavy as they reach their full height. For 2026, I highly recommend the Golden Showers Climbing Rose or the vigorous Yellow Lady Banks Climbing Rose. Now is the ideal season to get these in the ground. We have a massive selection of roses with local style right here at Waters Garden Center. Come visit me at 1815 Iron Springs Road in Prescott, or check us out online at watersgardencenter.com or top10roses.com. Until next week, I'll be here helping gardeners design better rose gardens. Let's create something beautiful together.